Hi, it's Daniel from Snapshades and you're watching installation instructions video C, 2 mounts on the bottom frame. First you'll receive 2 shades, 4 mounts, a bag and also the Snapshades alcohol wipe. First step, we will locate the magnetic mounting points on the bottom of the shade. Mark the magnetic points on the door trim. Tear open the Snapshades alcohol wipe and wipe the magnetic points area, and then remove the residue with a microfiber cloth. Peel back the 3M backing and adhere the mount to the marked points on the door trim. To achieve full strength, adhere the mount for 20 minutes. Finally, we install the shades onto the magnetic mounts and letting the top frame snap to the middle frame of the door. So we finish off with a slam test to make sure that the shades are installed correctly and your installation is complete.